As the broader stock market began to fall, FTAI Aviation jumped after it reported a significant earnings beat for the second quarter of 2025, with EPS of $1.57 exceeding analyst estimates of $1.33 per share. Revenue also surged 52% year-over-year to $676.2 million, although it fell short of analyst expectations of $754.75 million. The strong revenue growth, combined with a 23% reduction in operating costs, enabled FTAI Aviation to flip from a loss in the same quarter last year to a profit. The company's aerospace products segment was a key driver of growth, with adjusted EBITDA increasing 81% year-over-year. FTAI Aviation's financial performance was impressive, with adjusted EBITDA reaching $348 million, up 63% year-over-year. The company's net income also jumped 80% from the previous quarter. Additionally, FTAI Aviation reported positive free cash flow of $400 million, which is 3 times its reported net profit. The company's strong financial performance was accompanied by a boost in its CFM56 module production by 33% and an increase in market share to approximately 9% on an annualized basis, up from 5% last year. The company's guidance for 25% earnings growth in Q3 is a positive sign, so investors will be closely watching the stock's performance in the coming months.